All right, let's turn things over to Aaron now. We do have some really warm temperatures. It was really kind of hot and humid this morning, muggy, and I saw some rain on my way in.
Yeah, and more rain and storms developing right now as well. So when we look at the temperatures map, color-wise, you're thinking, okay, pretty similar, but you've got 90 in Denton, 80 right now in McKinney. Corsicana is sitting at 77 degrees, so you can tell where the storms are firing up. Now, as far as North Texas goes, probably the strongest storms are in Hill County and Navarro County right now. You can see these two storms, a good portion of southeast Hill County from Hubbard all the way to Hillsborough, kind of right along the Hill-Navarro County line, seeing some strong storms, and that's stretching into McLennan County as well. None of these are severe. There's one severe thunderstorm warning in Bell County in central Texas as of last check, but we go a little farther to the north and we've got some storms in Collin County, so this is the reason why McKinney is 10 degrees cooler than Denton right now. Storms are to the east of McKinney right now, but you can see from Anna to Farmersville, and they're generally moving south pretty slowly, raining themselves out, but we have more storm development kind of on the outflow of these storms. So that was the scenario that we saw last night with the storms that just kind of kept going into the early evening hours. We're still keeping the rain chances at 30% as we head into the 5 and 6 o'clock hour. And then by 7 o'clock, we start to see things cooling off a little bit. We're getting closer to sunset. Sunset, of course, after 8 o'clock tonight, but 86 degrees by 8 o'clock and then 83 by 9 o'clock with temperatures, or with the rain chances down to 20%. This time tomorrow, I think we've got mid and upper 90s across a lot of North Texas. You are certainly going to hear us talking about things heating up over the next week or so. We do have triple digits in the forecast, so you want to stick around for that. But 93 tomorrow in McKinney, 95 in Denton, 96 for DFW, and maybe closer to that 100-degree mark out to the west towards Breckenridge with a forecast high of 98. Still should be warm Saturday afternoon as well with a high of 97, but you notice we have issued a weather alert for Saturday. We're watching for the possibility of strong to severe storms. So this is our latest thinking. Timing 11 a.m. to 9 o'clock in the evening. Strong to severe storms possible. Main threats being damaging winds, large hail, and localized flooding. We need you to be weather aware, especially thinking about those weekend plans. So what we want to watch for Saturday morning, if we can get some storms going in the morning along and to the east of 35, these would be stronger, certainly through Kaufman County, through Hunt County, and then going a little farther to the south and to the east. And then you see the outflow from those storms kind of reaching the 35 corridor in the afternoon, and that's likely where we would start to see more storm development in the afternoon. And then you kind of see all of the storms really intensify quickly. This is where that damaging wind threat would be, that large hail threat would be. This is one model, and we're certainly going to have to keep an eye on the model trends heading throughout Friday, but this does bring some very active weather into the Metroplex for 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon and evening on Saturday, and then the threat kind of pushes south into central Texas. Likely most of the active weather out of the area by 7, 8 o'clock in the evening on Saturday, and then we're left with things just really heating up on Sunday. So we've issued the weather alert a couple of days out. We're giving you that heads up several days out, especially considering this is a weekend forecast. We don't want you to be caught off guard. Then you just have to be prepared. 99 on Sunday and then 101 forecast for next Thursday.
Wow.